I think like a lot of people since the show Black Sheep Squadron, I've always been a fan of the Corsair. So when I found this one from Limby, the F4U Corsair flying model, I knew I had to grab one, and I am super happy. It's made out of a really tight styrofoam, great paint job. As you can see, it looks amazing. The battery is very lightweight. It comes with a couple of them, so it is powered. It has a 6-axis gyro. It comes in this styrofoam cutout that fits in the box just great. And underneath here, we've got the remote. I'll pull that out. Really easy to use. It's your standard remote. It does have one button, aerobatics. You can just push this button for aerobatics. And then you do have an expert and a beginner and a standard mode. So you can kind of slow it down to learn how to fly. Really interesting model. Looks great. Fun to fly. Corsair. They make some other models too. Hope this helps.